Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have your footage and screenshot ready. Open Premiere Pro and import both. First, make a sequence that matches your desired resolution and frame rate so scale and position stay predictable. Then place the video on V1 and drag the screenshot image onto V2 at the point where you want the effect to begin. Once done, trim the screenshot clip length to a few seconds. Make sure its duration fits the shot so transitions don't look abrupt. Now make the reveal. Add a crop or track matte to isolate the screenshot shape. Use a rectangular mask and feather it slightly. Next, animate scale and position keyframes for the screenshot. Start slightly smaller and off-center, then snap into place with easing for a natural pop. Include a subtle motion blur for realism. Apply a thin border and drop shadow, and consider a quick unsharp mask to match the clarity of the underlying footage so the image blends convincingly. Finish by easing the keyframes and timing the screenshot to the cut. Render the section to review playback smoothness. Make sure the screenshot's color and exposure match the video. Use Lumetri color to tweak temperature and exposure until it sits in the frame. If you see hard edges, increase the mask feather or add a subtle Gaussian blur to the matte. If motion looks jittery, refine speed graphs or enable frame blending. One tip: export a short test clip to confirm final quality before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.